It's the dream.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Text for Kids and Adults. Here we actually focusing on instigating the interest of programming and coding in kids. All right, we actually have this goal of catching them at the early stage. All right, then we are using Pictoblocks and Scratch, which is very simpler for them to understand because they don't need to write full script of coding. All they need is to understand the blocks, how it works, and place them accordingly. All right. So kids, how are you today? Hope you are good. All right. And again, we also have other higher programming languages for adults. All right. So with time, we'll get to that. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share our videos with your friends. All right. So kids, don't be afraid. Okay, I will help you. I will hold your hand from the scratch of this topic till the last. And I will also encourage you to get your PC and watch the previous video on how you can download the Pictoblocks and Scratch into your PC. Then, as I teach you, you watch the video, you practicalize along. This will help you to get better and perfect. All right, so today we'll be making our first coding. So this is the sprite, and let's add a background. There's a background I will encourage you to add. I will be using Scratch for this time because there's a background I'll prefer to make use of on Scratch. It's called SY grid. So let me go back. You go to the backdrop, scroll down to the last line, click on the SY grid. It comes up. All right. Here, it will help you to understand the movement of the sprite. Let me move the sprite away from here. Keep it here. All right. The line is drawn, the cardinal point. You have the the y axis from up to down, and the x axis from right to left. Okay. Now in your mathematics, the the y axis from this top to this point, the center, the values are positive. Okay, so it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. They are all positive values. All right, then from this point again, going to the right are also positive. They are all positive values. Okay, from 0 to this way. So this is x axis. They are all positive. From here up is y axis. They are all positive. Then from this point again going down is also y axis, but negative values. All right. And from this point going to the left is also x axis, but negative values. In addition to this, from this 0 up here is the y axis, and the values are positive. And if you are to calculate x, the value of x along this line, the value of x is also positive. From this point to this way, the value of x is positive, and the value of y on this line is also positive. From this point down, the value of y is negative, you can see it, and the value of s found on this line is also positive, okay? Only the y here is negative and the x found here is positive. Then from here to this way, the x is negative and any y value found on this line is positive. Is that clear? You can see the color represented. The blue means positive, and here is also positive. Here is positive, positive. X is the yellow. X here is positive. Y here is positive. X here is positive. Y here is minus. Okay, so there is a block that will also help you to understand this. It's called Goto X. Goto X and Y. This block here. Let me get it out. All right. Okay, sorry, let me take it in. I would like you to take observance of this block. Let me see how I will zoom in. Okay. All right, please look on this value. You have here minus 171, that is for x, and 109 for y. This is the current position of this sprite. The sprite is on s negative and y positive. Is at the top, is above this 0, so is on y positive, and it is behind this 0 on x line. It is on negative x, so that is why you have x here, the value is negative, and the y here, the value is positive. Let's try to move it this way and see what happens. This way, without looking on this, can you say it? Okay, let me know. Look there. That here is above this 0, so it's on y negative, and it is after the 0. That means it's on x positive. On y positive, x positive. Okay, it's above the 0, y positive. It is after the 0, x positive. All right, I would like you to pause this video and make a comment before looking on the Goto X, the block. Tell me the value here. Okay, so the value here is after the 0 on x, it is x positive, and below the 0, which is y negative. So let's look at it here. Confirmed, x is positive and y is negative. So as it is here, the Goto has recorded the position of the sprite. So if you bring this on this editing page, it will keep this sprite at this point forever, all through the animation. So the movement of this sprite will always commence, will always start from this place, from this position, x at 108 and y at minus 77. Okay, let me explain. Now, this block is here. If you move this sprite to any place and click here, this place, it will return this sprite to this position, x 108 and y minus 77. Let's do that. Click here. You see, the sprite moves. If you take it up again, click here, it brings it back. Take it here, click here, it takes it out. So this block is now effective because you have added it on this editing page. Okay? So if you take it back, it won't be effective again on this block. It won't do anything as a cost of your animation. Is that clear? All right, so this is where we're going to end this video for now, and we'll continue next time on other moves on sprites. Okay. All right, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel, Text for Kids and Edit. Thank you.